Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to recover your UAE pass in just 1 minute, even if you don't have your old phone number. I'm going to show you step by step and it's very easy guys. Once you have downloaded it on your new device, open the UAE Pass app and select your preferred language. Let me go with English here. So, tap on the continue button. As you can see, we have two options: to create a new UAE Pass account or to recover an already existing one. If you just want to create a new account, I will leave the video guide in the description. So, for now, let's recover our old account by tapping on I already have an account. Toggle on this button to show that you have read the terms and conditions. Accept. Here you can enter one of these three things: your email address, your mobile number, or your Emirates ID number. If you lost your mobile number that is registered to your UAE Pass, it doesn't matter. Once you have entered your mobile number or your Emirates ID number, tap on the continue button. Go ahead and complete your facial biometric verification. Give UAE Pass access to your camera, scan your face, and once that is done, move on by tapping on continue with recovery. As you can see on the screen, you'll be shown all the other devices that have your UAE Pass logged in. You can choose to remove or keep access on these devices and then confirm. And lastly, create a new PIN for your UAE Pass account. Confirm this PIN. That is it guys. Your UAE Pass account recovery is automatically successful without need for you to enter your OTP from your old mobile number. So, now that your UAE Pass has been successfully recovered, to open a zero balance account using your UAE Pass, the video up next will guide you.